Sorting. What a mix-up! How could you sort it out? Here are some animals. Some buttons. 4 cars. And 6 pencils. Look how the animals have been sorted. Why have they been grouped like this? The pencils have been sorted in a special way, too. When things are sorted together, they are called a set. This is a set of buttons. Everything in this set is red. What kind of set is this? How many different ways could you sort these flowers? And these fruits? Things that make up a set have something in common. These are all toys. And these things are all found in a bathroom. What do these things have in common? And these? We talk about sets of trains, a set of books, and even sets of bingo cards. This is a set of dishes. This is a container for silverware. The spaces are used to set the knives, forks, and spoons. When you set a table, each person has a place. What do you notice about each setting? Sometimes all the things in a set are identical. Each wheel on a car has to be exactly the same. Would the extra wheel fit this car? There's something special about this set of dolls. How do they fit together? If you go into a supermarket, you will find vegetables. They are grouped together. Are the same kinds of fish grouped together? What about the bread? How does this help you find the things you want to buy? Collect a group of objects. See how many different ways you can sort them.